Is fighting me. Okay. Let's try that again. Here we go. Sorry, guys. There. So we're lining this up, lining that up, this up. Those lining up. All these are lining up. That's lining up. Sorry, the stool is actually holding these tabs up, so. That's a little tap dance routine we do as we almost fall into the camera. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over and push these guys in a little better. That out of the way. Again, this is this top row here that we're dealing with. And this, yep, here's one of the pins. I'll start him. And there's the one on the far side as well. I've still got to find the guy who's missing. Make sure all my wires are clear here. All right. Make sure everything's locked in place. Now, what I'm going to go through and do is pull all these guys up and make sure that their little flaps are fully clear, because some of them are wanting to be a little feisty, but I don't want y'all to have to sit and watch all that, so hang on. All right, this technique seems to work pretty good. If I can do it on camera, I'm kind of pulling up with this and turning. Oi, you're swinging. So you want to get this little edge up top so nothing pops loose. And they're actually all in, except for some of these. Let's see if they'll behave on camera. Because of course it was doing it just fine until I went to grab the camera to show y'all. Oh. There. See that? That's how we're locking them in. Getting very awkward with the camera right in my line of sight. All right, but basically that's what I'm doing. I'm pulling all these guys through to make sure they lock in, but I wanted to show you that quick. Let's see if I can do it on this one. There, see how the tab came over the top? The camera is literally right in my eyes. And I'm not meaning to boggle y'all about. All right, well, I'm gonna have to do it off camera. My apologies. I was being too gentle. See? Well, that one doesn't want to go that way, but there, see? I know they're going different directions, but it's what I had to do for the camera angle. But that way, nothing comes apart on you. All right, I'm going to tighten these down. They are 10 millimeter. Those. I have to find the missing one still. And just like that, he showed himself. So, there we go. I would have much preferred those little speed nuts, the stamped speed nuts, to the tabs, but whatever, it works, it holds together. It's not something you're going to service all the time. So that is how you put one of these bad boys together. So if there's a chrome one and you don't want chrome, or vice versa, you do want the chrome, that is how you would swap everything. On the 06 to 07 version, yes, I know there's some scuffs on it, and it needs to be treated so that it's less ashy. But there you go. And that's the little bit of issues it has here. It's got some scuffing there that somebody painted poorly, so I'll have to do some touch-ups. A little there. That side's pretty good. And it's got the step pad on it. But there you go. Now I'm going to install this bad boy. So that'll be yet another video for you guys. So I just have a single install of a bumper, making life simple since I've been doing so many of these. But all right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully this helps somebody.